Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Let's prep nails for press-on application. Size your nail tips, cut and file your nails, then buff slightly to remove the shine. Apply dehydrator. Let it air dry. Apply primer. Let it air dry. Apply glue. Middle of the nail bud and on your press-on. To the side walls, apply a good amount in the middle and spread it. In 45-degree angle, press the nail on your natural nail with low pressure. Apply cuticle oil and here you go. It will last you for a month.